Every buyer has a different need. One may need to find a home that has a basement large enough for a pool table. Another may need a master bedroom that can fit a king-size bed with seating area. As a listing agent, how do you ensure that your seller's home is in that perfect buyer's future? And what can you do to make sure it stands out from all the rest of the listings a buyer is seeing? You can start by making sure all the details are added for levels and rooms under the Features and Rooms section. This ensures they are visible and searchable in Bright. Let's head over to Listing Management and show you how this is done. We're going to set up rooms for our listing. This listing is a detached single-family residence for sale. This property has a main level, a basement, and a second level. First, make sure to select the correct number of levels and stories from the required field found under Buildings and Utilities. If you're not sure what levels to include, the field definition will give you some guidance. We'll also select Yes for the required basement, Yes/No field, and choose the basement type. Then we'll go to Features and Rooms. You will only see main level listed here. This is where you will first enter the number of bedrooms and full or half baths on each applicable level. Don't see additional levels you need listed here? Click to add additional upper or lower levels. You can also remove any levels you've added in error. Once you've added your levels with the correct number of bedrooms and bathrooms, you're ready to add room details. When adding room details, there is one required field, room type, but just because it's the only required field doesn't mean it's enough by itself. That buyer agent looking for that master bedroom that fits a king-size bed with seating area may see your listing in the results but won't know if it fits their buyer's needs, and they may not send it to their buyer. Why? Well, because there are no room dimensions. So, when adding room details, be sure to take the time and select room level, add room dimensions, and additional room features that apply. When you're finished, click Save. Continue this process until all rooms are added on each level. It's important to note that room details cannot be moved from one level to the next, so you will want to make sure you have added them on the correct level. Managing your rooms and details includes editing, sorting, and deleting. It is important to note that you are required to enter at least one bedroom and one full bath on any level. The exceptions to this rule are listed in the header for levels and room details. Next time you're entering a listing, be sure to add room details and features. Buyer agents and their clients will be glad you did when they find that dream home. Find more tips and tricks at support.brightmls.com. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and hit the bell so you stay in the know.